Have you ever stumbled upon an error on Windows that reads something like this? If so, we will show you how to fix this error quickly and easily. Now, the first thing to fix this error is to restart your computer. This will resolve any temporary glitches, and when your computer starts to reboot, the Settings app will now be free from any restrictions. Now, if restarting your computer does not do the trick, make sure you have got the latest Windows updates installed on your computer. So do that by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, select Check for Updates, and wait for the process to be completed. If you've recently added any third-party application installed on your Windows PC, it could also be the cause of this issue. Now, uninstalling such applications can solve the problem. So what you will need to do is open it from your taskbar, right-click on your third-party antivirus software, select Uninstall, then try to restart your computer. Lastly, change diagnostic data settings. Do that by opening Settings, click Privacy and Security, go to Windows Permissions, click Diagnostic and Feedback, then if the Send Optional Diagnostic Data switch is off, make sure you toggle it to on. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.